Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a Shopify store. First, log into your Shopify app store or you can access it through website. After logging in, you will be directed to dashboard. Now, go to settings. Once in the settings menu, on the left side of the screen, click apps and sales channel. Next, go to Shopify app store. Type in Duplify in the search bar. Then, click install. After that, another install button will appear. Click on it to completely integrate the app into your app store. After installing it, you will be directed to Duplify, scroll down, and start the duplication. Click Start Export. Next, you need to copy the unique key below and return to your source store. Just a reminder to make sure that this is copied correctly to avoid any issues. Next is you also need to enter a valid email address for a notification email for updates in the application process. After the first step, you need to choose export options. Choose the set according to your needs. For the third step, you need to choose a plan to finalize the duplication. Make sure to review the options and choose the one that will fit with what you need. And that's it. That's how you duplicate a Shopify store. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.